Good afternoon, everyone. It is November 15th, week number 7 for English 7D for KIT, Tabata campus. Let's see, today, pretty much the normal, sorry, there's still people coming in. Okay. Hang on, I gotta write these names down, sorry. Okay, there are still people coming in, but basically we have the same schedule that we have. We just finished your seated places videos, and now we're going to be going on to the next part of your textbook for opinions, unit number 4, opinions. Before we do that, your reflection exercise for this week is to watch this video, okay, by Amy Cuddy. It's actually a very, very famous TED Talk. And I want you to answer this question. What are the most important things you learned from this video? This video is about how you stand, how you act in front of people, how you hold your body. And that's something that can be very difficult if you don't have a lot of confidence. But what she's going to tell you can be very, very interesting in terms of how you actually use, how you stand, how you act to actually gain confidence. Okay, that's tonight, November 15th. At 11 p.m. Okay. And as always, we go from a walking video to making your opinions presentation manuscript in Unit 4. And as for your walking videos, we are going to be doing walking videos again. So last time, this is a week 7, but last time in week 6, we had you do a places video, and the places video was a seated video. You were sitting at your computer. But that was the only time that we're going to be doing a seated video. Now, here on week 7, when you write your manuscript, when you write the what you will be thinking about, what you'll be using as content for your video, please make sure that you understand that that's the only time you will sit at your computer. Every other time from now on, we will go back to walking videos. So think about what you can say that's easy for you to say while you're walking. There's no more sitting. Now, the good thing about that is that you're back to the normal length of video. Instead of a 3 or 4 minute seated video, we're back to a 2 or 3 minute walking video. So it'll be shorter, but walking videos are usually more difficult than seated videos. So keep that in mind when you write your opinions manuscript, that it will be a little bit shorter, but it will be a walking video. Okay, so your assignments are get your presentation manuscript in by November 20th and your reflection exercise by tonight at 11 p.m. Have any questions, please send me an email. Otherwise, we'll talk to you in class. Okay, thanks very much, everyone.